Let's do another example. Let's say that I'm going to take a basketball and go down to the gym and shoot some hoops. Well, I'm not very good at basketball, you see. I make 23% of my baskets. If I shoot 65 times, what is the probability that I'll make less than 12 baskets? What's the first step? Yep, the first step is you've got to find the mean and standard deviation for this basketball experiment. Try that. What's n? The number of baskets, 65. And p? Probability of success. Make it a decimal, 0.23 rather than 23%. You multiply that, 14.95. And the standard deviation? Square root of NPQ. What's Q? 1 minus P. So what's Q here? 1 minus 0.23. 0.77 is going to be your Q. So, (65) times 0.23 times 0.77, and then take your square root, 3.39. So we've got the mean and standard deviation. What's the next step? Yes, we need to correct for continuity. The problem says less than 12. What should I use for x when it says less than 12? Use 11.5. Now you've got everything you need to bring out that z formula. What does that work out to? Yep, about negative 1.02. As always, round to 2 decimal places. Now we've got z. We're almost there. What's next? Yep, table. .1539. Is that the final answer? Well, we need to look at less than again. It says less than, therefore, the table value is your final answer. So, find your mean and standard deviation. Correct for continuity to find x, meaning do that 0.5 thing. Find z, look it up on the table. Okay. Let's change the question slightly. I don't want to make less than 12 baskets. I want to make more than 20. I want to be optimistic. So, the mean and standard deviation aren't going to change, but this will. More than 20. How do I correct for continuity here? Well, we don't include 20, but we do include 21. Oh, I need to use 20.5. Work that out. What do we get? $1.64. Not too bad, right? Look it up on the table. .9495. Is that the final answer? Oh, more than. We got to do 1 minus. That's your final answer. Only about a 5% chance. So, because I am not very good at basketball, the probability that I'll make more than 20 baskets is pretty slim when I toss 65.